Excuse me. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hi, my name is Tom. I just came to this town a week ago. It sounds silly, but can you show me how can I meet the doctor here? Don't worry, sir. Can you see a ticket printer on the right corner over there? Oh, yes. So all I have to do is to pick up number and wait for my turn, right? Exactly. Right. And what if I want to book an appointment? Who should I contact? You can meet our staff at the receptionist. They will give you the phone number for booking in advance. Okay, how about the payment for medicines? After the treatment, you will be given a prescription report. Just come to the pharmacy on the left hand side from here. You will pay the bill there. That's very kind of you. No problem, sir. And if you need any help, please meet me at receptionist. Thanks. And you are? I'm Joy. And I work as a nurse here. Sir, who is number 7? It's me. Please come to room 505 to meet doctor. Good morning, doctor. Good morning. May I know your name, please? My name is Tom. Sit down, please. You look play with a hoarse voice, Tom. That's right, doctor. I have got a sore throat for a week. And I also feel a little feverish just this morning. That's why I go to the hospital. Okay, I see. First, I'll have your temperature taken. Your temperature is normal. By the way, have you got a dry and scratchy throat recently? That's exactly my situation now. Okay, I'll prescribe medicines for you. Thank you, doctor.